everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day video. The first thing that I have when I wake up is a cup of coffee, and that's what I'm doing right now. I always have my penguin cup on me. I just have these K-cups that I got from Walmart. It's called the Donut Shop and I really love them. It's just a medium roast K-cup. So I'll have that first until I finish my cup of coffee, and then we'll have some breakfast. It's 12 o'clock, which is my break time, and this is usually when I get my workout in. So now that my gym is closed, I just go on runs through my neighborhood and to the beach, different locations. Sometimes I run over the bridge. I really just switch it up every day, but I usually just have a snack before I go on my run, and then I come home and I eat some lunch. So today I'm gonna have some carrots and ranch and some peppers before my run. And I usually just start by walking a little bit, and then I'll start my run, and I always track my runs with my Fitbit Charge 2. I make sure I run 2 miles a day. That's mostly what I can do in my break time with time to get a shower and everything, and it's just like the perfect distance for me to go explore and get some fresh air. I just finished my run and now I'm walking back home. I'm about to make some lunch. I think I'm gonna have some salad with chicken on it and some veggies and a big glass of water. These are all the ingredients that I use for my salads. I just like some spinach, some lettuce, a couple bell peppers, some shredded mozzarella cheese. I always get like part skim or reduced fat, anything that makes me feel better. And then I get some baby tomatoes and some light ranch dressing. And then I cut up my chicken here on a plate so I can put it on top of my salad. It's 6 o'clock and I'm absolutely starving. I'm totally craving some carbs right now, so I think I'm gonna make some pasta with some sauce and vegetables, some cheese. That'll be so good. I just got this whole wheat pasta from Walmart, so I'm really excited to try that. So yeah, let's go ahead and make some pasta. It's about 10 o'clock right now, and this is usually when I start craving sweets like crazy. And usually I will just go for some vanilla ice cream with some kind of like chocolate chunks in it. I like to put like chocolate chips, or I crunch up some kind of like candy bar and put it in there, or I'll put chocolate syrup, anything of like that sort I love. But I'm actually kind of hungry right now and I feel like I could eat something, so I think I'm gonna make a yogurt parfait, and I'm gonna put some chocolate in it that it's kind of gonna both satisfy my sweet craving and also make me a little more full than just eating ice cream. Sometimes people ask me if I'm on a certain diet because I'm signed to a modeling agency, but the answer is no. I eat how I want, and I just happen to eat healthy because I think that that's just how my mom raised me, and that's just what I crave now that I'm an adult. So I don't know, I just like the way that healthy foods taste and how they make me feel, especially when I'm working out. I don't want to be eating like big greasy burgers and then go on a run. That's just not, it's not my thing. So I don't know, I think that once you start eating a lot of fruits and vegetables and lean meat, it's just what you crave. I also believe that because when I got braces in middle school, I was always so scared that my teeth were going to turn yellow if I drank pop, because that's what my orthodontist told me. So I was terrified to drink pop for a whole year. And then once I got my braces off, I didn't crave pop anymore, and I really haven't ordered a pop since like my 6th grade year. So I have some blueberry Greek yogurt, some semi-sweet chocolate chips, some granola, strawberries, and blueberries. And this is all pretty healthy stuff, but it's still going to satisfy my sweet cravings. Thank you guys so much for watching my what I eat in a day video. I hope you guys liked this and liked seeing some of the different recipes and meals that I eat on a daily basis. If you guys like health videos and workout videos, stuff like that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and leave a comments down below any videos that you want to see from me. And I think that's about it for now. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.